Ang daming dala. Ayan ang mga bahay ngayon. O, diba? Nagustuhan mo, Joy? Woo! Oo, ayan. Malaki. Ito naman sa pamangkin ni Lloyd. Oh, ganda oh. Ito ka, Joy. Oh, diba? May time na a lot of lights, but punta ka dyan. Oh, diba? Oh, ganda. Kasi Hoda may sasakyan. And then, when you tune your radio to 91.5, may message dyan. Ba't may tatawagan ka? Ayan na ang kwarto niya, oh. Paggabi.
Ay, makalat.
Oh, makalat daw. Okay lang yan. Hi!
Hi, tita. Thank you for sharing this room
Ay,
for
shoo.
a few days.
Masikip kasi malaki ang kama.
Opo.
Mahiga ka sa gitna, hindi yung sa gilid ka nakahiga.
Because tita, when I talk to my mom, I just laying there and then suddenly, boom, tulog.
Oo.
Tita,
Ayan ang namimigay ng
my
pasalubong.
early Christmas gift to all of
Yay!
you.
Mhm.
This one. I know it's
Wow, ang dami!
so what, tita, because I love you.
Wow!
And,
We're spoiled. O,
of
diba?
course,
O, diba?
hot cocoa.
Oh,
Hot cocoa, then the Mercy
merci
chocolates.
beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. And Butt and Body.
Wow!
Butt and
Wow!
Body shampoo, perfume.
Take it, darling.
Check it out.
Thank you.
Chocolate, uncle.
Oh, wow.
Cocoa.
Mercy, mercy.
Then this
Mercy.
one, tita,
Teka,
is Irvin's, the famous salted snacks.
yes. Teka, ako magbubukas.
Yeah. Kaya toast, uncle. Do you know the kaya toast?
Not
Which
really.
is spreading in the bread.
Oh, yeah, okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Like
It's a
yams,
famous
so-
in Singapore.
Wow!
Yeah. Then Tiger Balm. The ointment.
Tiger Balm?
It's okay, Uncle.
Tiger Balm.
For the joints. Then chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum.
The
Ayan.
tea.
Tea.
Chrysanthemum. And tita, what is it?
You better take half of this
Moisturizer.
back with you.
Then the pistachios.
Oh, yeah.
Uy, pistachios. I like that.
Then for you, tita. And
Tea.
yeah, it's for your health. And this one also like the Tiger Balm. Inhaler.
Inhaler.
If you feel like giddy, yeah, it helps
Oo.
for you to stabilize your feeling. So, yeah. So open na. And tito, this one, I don't know if it's suited. Your shirts. Okay, open
Wow.
like it. Merry Christmas, tita.
About 10 times as much as we would have expected.
Okay.
So this one is for Lloyd.
I just randomly take it.
Gusto niya may dalawang bulsa.
Opo eh.
Wow! Darling, oh.
Yeah.
Is it
Oh,
big,
good.
tita?
That's big.
A bigger.
Extra large.
That's all right.
Medium.
That's
Okay lang. Oo. This one.
good. Yeah, thanks, George.
You're welcome.
Very good.
It's extra large, it's too big. Wow, tita. Sayang.
Especially in the winter, in the winter time, especially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna open, darling?
Tita, dito kayo, tita.
It's beginning to look nice. Ano ba regalo namin sa'yo? Wala kami regalo.
Okay lang po, tita.
Wow, this is a good shirt. James Houston.
It's still okay. Because tita, Asian is different size in Australia.
Yes.
So I'm doubt if it's
Oh, God, thanks.
dark chocolate, tita.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
You like it, Angel? Dark chocolate?
Yeah, the
Yes,
chocolate.
yes.
Is,
Oh, okay.
Ano?
Nice, tita. Good choice.
Oo, it's healthy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Mm-mm. Wow!
Mm.
Meron kasi akong
Inhaler.
ginagamit na fresh care.
Apo.
Kasi,
This one, tita, 2-in-1. There's a nose inhaler, then the other one is ointment.
fish skin.
Oh.
This one, tita, it's like mine. It's different smell.
Ganda, napatulog ako.
Try to smell, Uncle. It's an ointment.
Oh. Nice, yeah. That's very nice.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's all yours, tita. To both of you.
Salmon. Ay, potato chips, salmon skin. Ba, okay to
That's a great surprise, Stuart. Unbelievable.
Seaweed cracker, fish skin.
Sarap niya, tita. It's all delicious.
Kain tayo.
I already tasted it.
Mm.
Cute na, tita.
Ang sarap.
Mm. That's a wrap.
Masarap. Tita, yung damit mo.
Basta.
Andyan. Yan po, yan. Yung green tsaka yung black.
Ito?
Hindi po. Bag po ata yun. Sorry, tita. Ang malaki. Takin na lang yung tito.
Ito. It's spicy.
Spicy, tita.
Nice, I know it. Good.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Sakto,
Wow.
tita.
Oo.
Wow.
Okay yan. Yay!
Put it straight.
Uncle. Yon! Yay!
Ay, okay siya.
Very good.
Nice one. You like tita?
Mm.
Meron pa pong isa yung green.
Ano to?
Same din po sa inyo po.
Uy, I got lots of things. Uy.
Yeah, very good one.
Ang laki naman ito.
Laki? Mas malaki, tita?
Pwede itong anuhan. Gawa ng paraan. Ganda! Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Salamat. Oh.
Kaya pala mabigat.
Opo.
Kaya pala mabigat yung maleta niya. Ay, tama-tama. Wala akong kulay na ganito.
Tita, sorry na. Nagda-doubt kasi ako.
Yay! Okay lang. Ganda.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that's good.
Hi. Thank you, tita.
Ito din.
Hey, tito. Malaki kaya?
Kay Tito to.
Opo.
Tito! That's yours.
Iwan pa
That's,
ako.
oh, all right.
Ayan, sa inyo po yun. Apo. May nagte-tailor ba, tito?
Meron. Yay!
You shouldn't have gone all this trouble. You shouldn't have spent so much on us.
When I here. It's okay.
Mm.
Ala, laki pa rin, tita.
Okay na yun.
That's it. Very right. Yeah.
May nagte-tailor ba, tita?
Meron, meron.
Oh, that'll be good. That'll come in handy, particularly in the winter time. Yeah.
Okay.
Here, ano.
Yeah.
Ang laki.
Okay, no?
Hindi ko alam yung size ni tito eh. Asian sa ano po. Kaya nagda-doubt.
Asian size size siya.
Yeah, right. Good brand too, Van Heusen.
Van Heusen.
Yeah. Singaporean
Uy,
dog.
grabe ka.
Ano po yun?
Singaporean?
Opo.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ewan ko, tita. It's a uncle.
Yeah, very nice.
Tita, ito pa, bag mo.
Yay!
Saan
Yay!
yung travel bag, tita?
Oh, that's good!
Travel bag.
Thank you! Thank you!
Welcome,
Thank
tita.
you!
Merry Christmas.
Merry
To both of you,
Christmas.
Uncle.
Ano kaya yung regalo namin sa iyo?
Ay, it's okay, tita.
Ito yung napili mo.
Thank you, tita. Wow! Good job. Nice, Uncle. Sorry, Uncle, only one packet.
Oh, that's right.
Wow! Ito pa,
Ulitin
tita.
kasi nakaano ko eh.
Sticker, tita.
Ayan.
Ayun!
Maganda ang cut niya.
Ang galing. I'm happy, tita. Yun!
Kasi wala pang ano eh.
Ang ganda, tita. May ano ka, tita, yung parang necklace na ano.
Yung
Diba?
hapa
Opo.
ko.
Bagay yun yung tita.
Yay!
Good job!
Oh, that's
Yay!
nice. Wow!
You're kind of like a model, Uncle. Nice one.
Wow! Talaga nagmo-model siya. Yee!
Yo!
Yee! Ay, that's good. Good morning. What's today?
Tita.
Tuesday morning.
Yo.
We'll have we'll have breakfast. Ayan, ako'y natipo man.
Thank you, tita, for preparing the breakfast.
Oh. Ito ang pasalubong niya. Ang sarap niya. Sosyal ang lasa. Kapag pupunta kayong Singapore, bili kayo nito ah. Ito, papunta kami sa city. Sasakay kami ng ferry. Oh, ayan ang aming bisita. Aming bisita. Si Lloyd nagpa-park pa ng sasakyan. Hintayin namin. Ito sana sasakyan namin pero wala pa siya. Mag-ferry kami. Oh. dyan. Mamaya, akyat kami. Yay!
We're going there, river. What the playground is here.
Swimming pool or lagoon here in the city. There's a lifeguard. Oo, pwede.
Ano pa?
Doon tayo sa may, ayan. Doon sa may bulaklak. Pag pupunta ka sa South Bank, ito yung makikita mo. Since summer ngayon, wala kang makikitang bulaklak, bugambilya. Pero pag winter or springtime, this place is pink na pink talaga dahil sa bulaklak.
Ito Nena's vlog. It's mine now.
Oh, joy, 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 joy to the world, the Lord is. Nasa elevator na kami sa Star Casino building. Ay! Naakinipin. So, eto na kami sa taas. Ito, nandito na kami sa taas. Tapos makikita mo yung sahig, makikita mo yung baba. Ayan si Joy. Ay, parang hindi ko kaya. Ay, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya. Oh. Sige na. Naku, nanginginig ang aking paa.
Kaya mo, tita, huwag lang titingin.
Oo nga eh. Tingnan mo yung baba. Yan, yung baba. Ay, alam mo na-crack yan.
Naninig tuloy ako. Shaking. I can't na. Ate, tapon mo. That is so scary.
O, dali. Ako hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya. Huwag kang titingin.
Earlier, tita,
Don't look down. Yan. Game. Ang galing. O, diba? Ayan yung nilalakaran.
You're very bright.
Ayan yung pinuntahan natin kanina. May swimming pool. And very well. Umuwi tayo sa kulay na yan. Yan, yan yung tinawiran natin.
You can't see it.
Tingnan mo naman po. Ay, alay, ako hindi ko kaya to. Aba, okay ka na ah. Si Lloyd napagod na, parang gusto niyang mag-snack. So, kukain kami doon sa kung saan kami nag-stop. Kain muna tayo, kakain tayo, ito pagkain namin. Si Lloyd nag-dessert na Oy, burger. Pinakita kami iguana. Parang estatwa, ano, pero totoo siya. Babalik na kami sa ferry. So, mag-drive na, mga pagod na si Lloyd. Hihintay niya kami.
So that, we're enjoying the view so much.
Yes.
Like you said.
Matapos naming magbiyahe ng matraffic, ito na naman kami kakain sa Japanese. Oh, di ba kakain na oh. Si Julia. Kakain kami mga sushi, pero hindi kami kakain sushi. Ramen lang.